was the guy who was telling you and everyone else on this air and on other air that they were never going to get out of Bitcoin. Bitcoin was the future. It was the move. It was this. It was that. And then he takes over, and less than a year later, maybe a little more than a year, I guess. Later, he abandons ship. Like, not just some of the hash rate's going to go to AI, not just some of the company's going to pivot to HPC. We're going all in on HPC. We're switching the name of the company. There's no bit in the name anymore, no farms in the name anymore. And we're moving to, like Pikachu says in the chat, they're moving to Pennsylvania.
But the switching to AI, I mean, if you own a company, Joey, you could do whatever the fuck you want with it, right? We don't have to talk. If it's publicly traded, it's a different animal. And so if you can move to a business that is going to be more profitable for the company, it only makes sense because you're doing something that is good for the shareholders and trying to increase their value. So when you look at it on that lens, I don't get too upset because, like I say, it's publicly traded, so they have different set of responsibilities than a privately traded company or a private company. Even if they didn't say that, the one thing you should never do, period, is be so staunch and never looking to change your opinion.
Fair.
You always got to take information in, digest that, and if that makes you change your opinion, great. But you don't want to say, I'm going to just be stubborn about this and not change. That's the wrong way to do things.